we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
It is 6:32, Saturday, October 24th. We are in Trail. This is our first time here, and it's super hot, so we're gonna try to get it done.
You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. The train just left this town. While I'm slowly heading back to my apartment, I'm not asking for your thoughts. I'm just thinking out loud in the darkness. There's no point, 'cause we both know. From here there's nowhere to go. Someone said your heart is feel like can't ignore the pain. It's the only thing that tells me I'm breathing. I lost you from the start. Someone said your heart is golden. All I got was my heart broken. I can see the dawn is coming just for you, for you. Someone said your heart is golden. All I got was my heart broken. And I can see the dawn is coming just for you. It's just for you. Oh, it's just for you. For you.
So we made it, guys.
Yeah, we made it.
A little bit hard because we took the hardest way. They were saying that there's the easiest ways to come up.
Trail has so many trails, so you guys just gotta be careful.
If you guys want to keep coming back, I mean, totally recommend this trail because there's different trails you can take. You can take the easiest, the moderate. We took the moderate, but to be honest with you guys, I thought it was the hardest.
Well, it becomes moderate, and then as you keep going up, it starts turning on. It becomes hard. So stick to the easy.
All right, guys, I'll see you guys down there.
Sometimes I can understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you everything has changed, even though we both stay the same. Would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the rain? Even as we're having a fight. Say you, say you, say you.
All right, guys,
Hello, guys.
we made it back home. And how did you find it?
It was new to us, so it was something different. But at the end of the day, it was worth it. Like I said,
I believe there were 5 peaks. So just be aware if you're just trying to do like a little small one, quick one. Download the app All Trails. That's the one we were using to actually come back to the car because we got lost. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, guys, if you guys want to see more video of us. And give us a like and let us know anything in the comments below what you guys want to know about us. Well, see you until next time.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.